Good morning, everybody, from the beautiful rest stop in Ignace. So we just stayed the night here. I woke up a little bit ago. Fred's still sleeping, so I'm taking the girls for a little bit of a walk. It's a nice rest stop. They got a little dog run area, so you can have lots of grass to walk your dogs. Some places don't have a lot of grass, so this is pretty nice. It was pretty quiet. We've stayed at, I think, a couple rest stops before, and usually there's so many semis that, I mean, no offense to semi drivers, I know they have to obviously run their engines and stuff, so, but it can be a little bit of annoying. But there was, at least as far as I know, nobody came. Just little old us way over there. In the car parking, there's 3 cars now, but I guess the restrooms, I think they closed 5:30 to 8. So right now I'm just waiting for them to open back up. Mostly because Fred went back in there yesterday to check it out, and I guess the actual welcome center inside there has a stuffed timber wolf. And I think you can't get really close to it until the actual welcome center part opens. And he was pretty impressed on how big it was. So we definitely want to check that out before leaving. And then we can get on the road. I believe check-in time at the next place isn't until 3, so I think it's a 6-hour drive. So we're just trying to plan accordingly so we don't show up too early and have nowhere to go. So I'm gonna finish walking these doggies. Fred's up. Welcome center's open. So we're gonna go check it out and see this giant stuffed timber wolf. I'm very excited to see it. Oh, I'm sorry, gray wolf? My bad. Whatever. We're all the same, right? Probably not at all. Oh, where are we going? Going up the ramp. It's a nice little welcome center. This is cool.
Nice view.
Oh yeah. That's cool. I didn't realize we were that close to the water still. I guess we did just come right over the bridge. There's the entrance to the UP. Very cool. That's the bridge over there. Alright. So there's the giant wolf. Which is big. It's bigger than I thought it would be.
Yep, it's 1.5 years old. So
that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that wolf was hit by a car here too. Right on 75.
Wow.
That normal size for wolves, or is that small?
Yeah, I don't know. You don't see them every day. You don't. I mean, there's. I would say the state record's 185. So, and that's.
You are humongous.
I'm going to guess that that's probably.
I would not want to see him in the wild.
Yeah.
Jeez.
How old did they say it was? A couple of years?
Year and a half old, I think.
Yeah.
I still don't want that walking down the road.
He's got to be. I would think he's probably pretty close to full grown, but. If it's like a dog, my German Shepherd is 1.5 years old and he's 80 pounds. And she might get a little bigger, but not much. She ain't going to grow much more.
A lot bigger than I would have thought.
I would think it probably depends on what time of the year you see them, you know. You see them later on in the summer when they've been eating all summer, and they're probably a little heavier. If you get them in the spring or in the middle of the winter, they're probably a little scrawny. Although, in the winter, they ought to be able to catch the deer easier, so I don't know.
That's true.
They should be able to catch the deer easier and eat them then, so I don't know, maybe not. I don't know if they got a starvation.
Cool model of the Mackinac Bridge.
I wouldn't think they'd have too much trouble catching the deer.
Bear rug.
Right.
It's a cool picture.
But I haven't heard too many people ever see them around here, so they're around, but I don't think you don't see them that often. They're probably nighttime, running around at night more than anything.
A lot of cool stuff.
Just like bears, a lot of bears around here, but
yeah.
you don't run into them on a day.
All right, so that was pretty cool. I agree, bigger than I thought too.
Yeah.
I know they were definitely bigger than Celine, but I didn't think they were that big. So I maybe retract my other statements of saying how cool it would be to see them in the wild. I don't think I want to see them in the wild. But overall, very cool rest stop. Definitely one of the nicer ones. I mean, it's also a welcome center, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's nice. So if you're ever going to the UP and you have to stay overnight somewhere, I would definitely recommend the Welcome Center at St. Ignace.
And trucks coming in.
Oh no, I don't think not a single truck, and I don't think any
Semi-trucks.
other RVers came through either. Yeah, it was quiet. Quiet's nice.
Yep.
So I think we have 6 hours until we get to Ontonagon. We're probably butchering the name like we did Grand Marais too, so
Ontonagon.
whatever. Hi puppies!
Grand Marais. What do we call it? Grand Marius?
Yeah, I think Grand Marius. We butchered it.
Yeah.
It's okay. So we are currently on US 2. It is a beautiful road to drive on. I have to say it's one of my favorites. It follows the beautiful Lake Michigan. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Are you looking at Lake Michigan? Like I'm just looking. I'm just looking, Mom. I don't really care. It is pretty though. So I just wanted to share how beautiful the fall colors are. They were a little nicer when the sun was just out, but still so beautiful. We try to plan our October camping trip around the peak time of fall colors.
In half a mile, turn left onto Cut River Road.
And every October we try to plan our trips around the peak time for fall colors, and it's not always easy because it's not the same week every single time. So I think we did good in guessing this week. I mean, the further we go up north, hopefully there aren't less. Oh no, the leaves are falling. Stay up there. I don't know. It's pretty though, isn't it? I'm super excited to see Lake of the Clouds with all the fall colors. That'll be exciting. So I just wanted to share that with everybody real quick. There's beautiful Lake Superior. Super calm. Seems like every time we see Lake Superior, it's super calm.
Yeah, it is weird.
Isn't that weird?
How rough it's supposed to be all the time.
Yeah, it's supposed to be super rough. We've always seen it so beautiful and calm. Not that I'm complaining, but that's pretty cool.
It started getting a little wavy at one time.
A little wavy.
That wasn't too bad.
Yeah. Look at those fall colors. Way up there. I think we just probably missed the peak. I think they were saying on the news the peak was like 4 days ago, but it's still not bad. We still got colors. So I think it'll be okay. I guess we're basically almost there. A lot of the color died off the further north we got, but then the further west we went, we got color again, so we still might be okay. Look at that mountain. That's so pretty. I'm a dork, okay? I'm okay with that. That's cool looking though. We've crossed over so many rivers. Definitely explains why there's so many waterfalls in the area. Look at that. Lake Superior, which is definitely wavier than earlier. No, it's not bad. Just it's not calm and flat like it was earlier. It could be just because we're this much further west. That is so cool.
Yeah, I was going to say, Porcupine Mountain is well in the state park.
I don't care who you are, nature's cool.
Get you gummy candy.
I'm gonna figure out what that means. So much autumn.
End of the earth, 2 miles.
This is end of the earth, 2 miles. What was I referring to? I want to go there. Yay! Finally. There's a folk school here? That's interesting.
Some interpretive guide or something.
Look at all the birch trees. Those are pretty. How cool. Time to register. Alright, so this is the campground. Ooh. These are some of the spots. It's Lake Superior right there. I think we're 27. So this is cool.